of my tulips. It's late December, so I'm a little bit late, but I think I can still get some beautiful blooms. I have a bunch of tulip bulbs left that will flower in April or early May, so that should give them enough time to replenish and produce a beautiful bloom for me. So I picked up those new round bowls, I hope you can see, and went ahead and filled them with a bit of compost mix, and I'm going to start making a beautiful jardiniere or container full of tulips. So I'll make sure to plant them at least twice the depth of the bulb, and I should be fine here because I have about 15 centimeters depth, so that should be perfect for those tulips. Let's get started and then we'll take a look. I'm going to start with some blushing ladies. I have 30 bulbs and they're absolutely beautiful with pink and orange and peachy tones. I think they're going to be striking. They're about 60 centimeters tall, so I'll put them in the center so that they will be my main event, my tallest centerpiece. So you can see here, they do have a bit of rot from storage and they are wanting to grow, so I really wanna get ahead and get those planted. Also, I'm going to make sure to remove any little babies here. So I don't know if you can see, but like a smaller bulb growing off of the mother bulb, just to make sure that all the energy goes into flowering. Planting tulips is really easy. All I'm doing is nestling them firmly on top of the soil. You can notice here that they are quite close together, and that's perfectly fine in a container. If you're planting them in a landscape, you may want to put them further apart, 2 to 3 centimeters, just so that they have room to continue to grow. Well, it's a bit more of a tight fit than I had planned for, so I only have room for one variety, but it's going to be striking all the same. Now that my tulips are planted, I'm just covering them back with some compost and making sure I tamp the soil. For my second planting project, I'm going to be planting crystal stars and akebono tulips. I think both are going to be really lovely together because they're yellow and they grow about the same height. So I have 20 crystal star tulips that are a beautiful fringed tulip, yellow, very deep yellow, and akebono tulips that have a little bit of green and a very faint trace of red. I think all together is going to be absolutely striking. I'm doing the same as per the first bowl. I am nestling my tulips on the soil and putting them rather close together, but this is just to make sure that I get maximum impact from those planters. Once I've covered my tulips with soil, I'll make sure to give them a good watering to get them started. And then because I'm going to leave those bowls outside, I'm not going to give them any more water because we get consistent rainfall here in the UK. Also, I'm going to leave those outdoors because we have quite mild winters and they will get enough gold to rebloom beautifully next year, but not too much. Now I'm going to the last step of this project, and this is just adding some bark mulch on top of the pot just to make them look a little bit more finished and also to help retain moisture. I can't wait to give you a tour in the spring. It's going to be absolutely stunning. See you in the next one. Bye!